how do I shut up my brain? A lot of my clients are having this issue because of extreme levels of stress. They are unable to sleep at night. Most of you, I'm sure, would be able to relate to it, including me, that as soon as we drop down into the bed, the brain starts reeling. The negative thoughts, right, the scary, the dark, the gloomy thoughts keep on start haunting us, and consequently, right, we end up popping the pills to go off to sleep, right? Sometimes yoga helps, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes melatonin helps. Most often, we end up succumbing to pills, and therefore, a lot of the clients are concerned about their liver health and developing a tolerance to these sleeping medications. So, what do? Dr. Laurie Santos, who is a professor at Yale University, suggests one technique: third-person talk. So she says that whenever these thoughts come in, right, you start speaking to yourself in the third person. For example, instead of saying, I am stressed, or you can say, I can say to myself that Nina seems stressed. Why is Nina stressed right now? So what you're doing is that when you shift the perspective, it kind of changes the activity in your brain, and it reduces the activity in the areas of the brain which are concerned with anxiety. So what you're doing is that you're creating a kind of a distance between you and your thoughts. Now, also, if you have a compassionate person standing with you in this tough time, in these dark moments, when it seems that your brain has turned against you, this kind of perspective, she says, that helps you gain objectivity and also develop a neutral stance while you're dealing with these thoughts. Most often these thoughts are very scary, right? They're very debilitating, and they're extremely catastrophizing or black and white thinking, and that's quite normal. Our brains have evolved to have a negativity bias for survival, but then it shouldn't make us dysfunctional or affect our well-being. So basically what you're doing is that you are talking to yourself as if you were talking to another kind, loving friend who is going through all of this. So try it out, pop your queries in the inbox, and I will try my best to address them. Thank you so much for listening. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.